Hello everyone, did you know that sweet potato is one of the most consumed vegetables in the world? That's right, but what many people don't know is that it also has incredible therapeutic powers. Originally from Central and South America, sweet potato is a low glycemic index carbohydrate, making it ideal for people who need to overcome metabolic diseases such as diabetes and obesity. But that's not all. Studies show that it also has healing properties and can help in the treatment of diseases such as reflux and gastritis. And the best part is that there are several delicious ways to consume sweet potato. You can use it in the preparation of savory or sweet dishes, and even in therapeutic juices. Oh, and if you want to experience the benefits of sweet potato for your health, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive more incredible tips like this one. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned more about the therapeutic powers of sweet potato. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave your like to help spread this content to more people. See you next time.